Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hawla Liwalig Magnum from Group 8.
And the words of Amir Ali, sinasabi niya dito na ang panahon ng pamumuno ni Ma'mun ay naging kilala si Ma'mun bilang most brilliant and glorious of all in the history of Islam. Sa loob ng kanyang korte na nagtagpo ang mga kilalang manunulat, philosophers, men of letters at mga scientists upang magbahagi ng kanilang mga idea at karanasan. During the Abbasid dynasty, there were specialized departments that promoted original research, especially in astronomy. Observations of celestial phenomena tulad ng eclipses and comets were integral to this research. The measurements of the Earth size mula sa shores of the Red Sea shows that during this time, Muslim scientists had advanced knowledge of nature compared to most people in Christian Europe who continued to claim that the earth was flat. In the words of William Ware, ito ay tungkol sa Abbasid dynasty, particular sa panunungkulan ni Ma'mun, a Muslim monarch. During his time, maraming significant advancement ang naganap in the field of science and philosophy. One of these was the introduction of the telescope, supposedly invented by Abu al-Hasan. May mga mahalagang aklat din na isinulat in various disciplines tulad ng medicine, astronomy, arithmetic, geometry, meteorology, optics, and mechanics. Ang mga astronomers of that era worked in observatories established by Ma'mun, including the Shamsiyya Observatory. Ito din ang naging daan for a revival of knowledge in science and philosophy. Originally, introduced by the Greeks na matagal nang nakalimutan ng Europa due to the darkness of the Middle Ages.